Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the most advanced machines shaping the future of speed and power. Today's topic moves beyond roads and into the stratosphere. We are talking about one of the most mysterious and ambitious military aircraft concepts ever discussed, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, often referred to as Russia's next-generation interceptor and a potential successor to the legendary MiG-31. The MiG-41 is believed to be part of Russia's long-term program to develop a sixth-generation interceptor aircraft. Designed primarily for extreme-speed interception, this aircraft is expected to operate at the edge of nearspace, defending vast airspace against hypersonic threats, stealth bombers, and advanced missiles. While official details remain classified, the MiG-41 represents a bold leap in aerospace technology. Unlike traditional fighter jets, the MiG-41 is expected to focus more on speed, altitude, and reach rather than close-range dogfighting. Reports suggest a stealth-influenced design combined with heat-resistant materials to survive prolonged hypersonic flight. The airframe is rumored to be optimized for high-altitude performance, potentially operating above 30 kilometers, where few aircraft can function effectively. One of the most discussed aspects of the MiG-41 is its speed. The aircraft is widely rumored to achieve speeds beyond Mach 4, possibly approaching Mach 5, placing it near hypersonic territory. This performance would be made possible by a next-generation engine system, potentially using combined cycle or advanced turbojet technology. Such speed would allow the MiG-41 to intercept threats faster than any conventional fighter. The MiG-41 is expected to serve as a long-range interceptor rather than a multi-role fighter. It may carry advanced air-to-air missiles, hypersonic weapons, and possibly anti-satellite capabilities. Some concepts even suggest it could engage targets in near space, making it a bridge between air and space defense systems. Advanced radar, artificial intelligence-assisted systems, and network-centric warfare capabilities are expected to define the MiG-41. It may also support optional unmanned operation, allowing it to fly with or without a pilot depending on mission requirements. This flexibility would mark a major evolution in combat aviation. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 symbolizes a strategic shift toward high-speed, high-altitude defense in an era of hypersonic weapons. If realized as envisioned, it could redefine interceptor aircraft and set new benchmarks for aerospace engineering. While much about the MiG-41 remains speculative, its concept alone highlights the future direction of air combat. From extreme speed to near-space operations, the MiG-41 stands as one of the most intriguing aircraft projects of modern times. Stay tuned with Bike Shift for more deep dives into machines that push the limits of technology and imagination. Rocket!